Hello everybody, Jack the Railfan here, coming to you from the second level of a house that was built 100 years ago. There's some train tracks right over there. This house is very connected to railroading and has even more potential to be connected with railroading. But there's a train coming right now, so let's take a look at it. Got some tank cars there. 2 CSX diesels in front, of course. This is CSX territory. That track used to belong to the Pierre Marquette Railroad, then it became Chesapeake and Ohio, and then Chessie Systems, and finally CSX. And when this house was built in the 1920s, very old, worn-out steam engines would have been using that track. Then the Van Swearingen brothers of Ohio bought the entire railroad, among other railroads, and they put lots of money into it. There's the end of the train. And they revitalized the entire railroad. Aside from the fact that the past residents of this house would have seen freight trains pulled by Pierre Marquette Berkshires and heard the whistle and seen the smoke and steam rising from the trees, this house has even more to tie it in with the railroad. Specifically, the fact that the entire house is held up by actual rails. Not sure exactly what size these rails are, but you can see they're just under 6 inches in height from the foot to the head. There's some holes for the bolts on this one, so this would have been the end of the rail at one point. And they say Gary, Indiana, 1913, ARA H. I know Gary, Indiana, of course, means they were made at that massive steel plant. There's 2 of them. It says ARA O H 9020 on this. Looks like IS Co. Gary. I'm no expert when it comes to these steel companies making rails, but I do know that these are probably some of the best supports they could use for this house. And finally, just look at this basement. It's practically a shelf layout already. The tools are from my dad's repairs on this whole basement. You can see he just installed some heating and cooling apparatus, lots of new plumbing, and his job today is putting new concrete over the ugly walls of these shelves. Over here, by where the utility sink, washer, and dryer are going to go, there's this valley. I see it as a valley with maybe a thin river down there, and if I was going to put a model railroad all around this basement, which if I lived here I absolutely would, there would be a big bridge right here, and then a very scary curve right here that I would just slow all the way down for every time. And maybe the next owner will do that, who knows. So that'll just about do it for this video. Just wanted to show off some of the cool railroad related things about this awesome old house and the potential it has for becoming the greatest basement layout of all time. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, help my videos get recommended to more people. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!